Hey folks, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we switch out the gear knob, or for those who just want to replace this top section that is all worn out, often it's old, or for those who want to switch to a different type of gear knob or any other style. So let's get started. I'll show you here and enhance the lighting so you can better see how it's done. It's quite simple. First step, put your car in neutral. You can leave your car off, although in my case I left it on as my car battery was dying. Pull up on the gear knob, put your fingers around the side of the cover and pull up. An important note is not to press the button while removing the gear knob. This is essential. Shift into park, and down here you'll notice it has a lock that you turn sideways. So if you pull it here, the gear knob becomes unlocked, pull it back, it locks up again. So you twist it, it unlocks the gear knob, then you just pull it upwards and it pops right off. Got that? So, gear knob removed. It's important to note, if you remove the gear knob by pressing the button gets stuck inwards. That could become an issue for you, right? Yep, getting that button back to the initial position can be challenging. I experienced this the first time. I didn't know about the button, and it was quite a struggle to push it back out. Speaking of which, in this case, you see it got stuck in the inside. In situations such as this, getting it unstuck can be troublesome. However, I'll still teach you how to get the button back out, and for those who want to replace this cap here. So let's go. I won't be switching it out. I'm going to purchase a new one because mine is already fairly worn out here. Take a plastic key, you're going to position it on the edge, apply a bit of force, go to the back, and we're going to apply slight upward force. As you can see, it's already elevated. Now we just need to gently pull upwards and it comes off easily. We have removed the cap, this cover, so you can trade it for a new one. Risk-free, damage-free, alright? For those who want to see, it fits here. Let me insert it back here so you get a good look. It easily fits in here, so you insert the key at the back, these plastic keys, push it upwards, and you'll find that you're able to remove and replace it. The front finish of the button can also be removed, so anyone who wants to remove it will find it straightforward. It has side clips here, you just need to pull them. As I told you, the button is stuck down. It could happen that someone is driving and the button locks in. So, how do we get it reset to its original position? Here we have a small hole within which is where we push the button back. So we need to push this latch until the end so that the button springs forward. Then what do? We get a new cover of this or new bed handle that you want to use, and we will fit it here. So what we do is pull it forward and remove this small finish. Let us fit it here. Right, we press it in place. It has already locked the edge of the handle here. It's locked back here at the front. We can now fit the finish in. It's here so it can fit inward, and so we can fit the gear shift knob, always with the button outward. Okay guys, we can pull it open and leave the part where we put it showing up close. Here it is locked, here it's unlocked. So what do? We fit it here until the end, until we hear this click. We heard it, we twist it down here to lock it. It locked, suppress the button, started working again. Press the button, move it forward, move it back, everything works as normal. And to put the gear knob back on, we push it down, it fits here, just press it so it fits back in place. That's it, gear knob works perfectly. Straight, the button and its activation are working correctly, no errors, everything looks good. So, those of you who want to just change this finish on top of the gear knob, it is not always necessary to remove the gear knob entirely, but I recommend if you accidentally press the button and it gets stuck, it's important to remove it in its entirety. This is rare content, okay guys, very rare to have on YouTube. Nobody does this. This is a 38-volt audio. It's my car. So for those who want to learn, and if you liked it, give this video a strong thumbs up in the comments. Also leave a lot of comments and give it a like, which really helps us a lot. Here we subscribe to the channel, and we have already made a video dismantling this entire central console, tearing it out entirely. In this video, we dismantled the gear shift knob. We will teach you how to dismantle this bar. Here is also how to remove it, how to exchange the analog air conditioner for the digital model, also how to remove the air vents to be able to remove the sound from the top of the panel. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, leave a like, it helps a lot of people. And of course, subscribe to the channel to always stay updated with all the news here on the channel. Noble Motorsport, Noble Coding for you, the only one making this type of content. Nobody else makes this type of 10 out of 10 content.